School taught us algebra, history, science, but not the one subject that controls our entire life, money. Hi, I'm Vinod. Let's talk on this topic today. Let's be honest. Most people work hard. They study, they get jobs, yet they still struggle financially. Not because they're lazy, not because they're stupid, but because no one taught them the rules of money. Today, I'm going to share 3 money rules that school never taught us, but following them can completely change your financial future. And rule number 3 is the most important. We were told, earn more money and you'll be fine. But here's the truth. It doesn't matter how much you earn. What matters is how you manage it. I've seen people earning $3,000 per month, always broke, $1,500 per month, saving consistently. Why? Budgeting. What budgeting really is. People think budgeting means cutting fun, living cheap, saying no to everything. Wrong. A budget is simply telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Real example. Let's say you earn $2,000 per month. No budget. Eating out randomly, subscriptions you forgot, impulse purchases, end of month to $0. With budget. Needs 50%. Wants 30%. Savings/investing 20%. Same income, different outcome. If you don't control your money will control you. Always remember one thing. Put your money to work, not work for it. School told us credit cards are dangerous, debt is bad, but they never explained how the system actually works. Credit itself is not bad. Bad behavior with credit is bad. These are some things about credit cards that put us into debt. First, we often buy things that are more expensive than necessary. To impress people, we buy things that we don't need. That's liability debt. You're paying interest for things that lose value. Smart credit use builds wealth, education and skills, business investment, assets that generate income. That's strategic debt. Rich people don't avoid credit. They use it better. Credit score equals trust score. Yo. Your credit score is simply how trustworthy are you with money you borrowed. Pay on time, keep balances low, don't apply everywhere. That's it. Key lesson, credit won't ruin your life. Misusing it will. Biggest money myth. We were taught save money and you'll be secure. Saving protects money, but it does not grow money. Inflation explained simply. Your money loses value every year. $100 today is not equal to $100 in 10 years. Inflation quietly steals from savers. Investing equals fighting inflation. Investing means putting money where it grows faster than inflation. Stocks, index funds, businesses, and the real magic? Compound interest. Money earning money, which earns more money over time. Time is the secret ingredient. Start early implies small amount equals big result. Start late implies big amount equals small result. Key lesson, saving keeps you safe. Investing makes you free. Money is not about luck. If it were, lottery winners would stay rich, but most don't. It's not about being a genius either. Some of the smartest people in the world struggle financially. And it's not even about income. There are people earning 6 figures who still live paycheck to paycheck. Money is a behavior game. Wealth is built on 3 things. 1. Habits. What you do with money every day matters more than what you do once in a while. Small choices, saving a little, investing regularly, avoiding impulse spending, compound into massive results over time. Bad habits feel harmless today, but they quietly cost you your future. 2. Discipline. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Markets go up and down. Income changes. Life gets busy. But the people who win financially are the ones who stay consistent, even when it's boring or uncomfortable. 3. Time. Time is the most underrated financial asset. Time allows compound interest to work. It turns small amounts into life-changing wealth. The earlier you start, the less you have to struggle later. Start late, and you're fighting uphill. Start early, and time does too. And time does the heavy lifting. Final truth. The people who win financially are not the smartest in the room. They're the most patient. They don't chase quick money. They play the long game. They focus on getting rich slowly so they can stay rich permanently. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built daily over time. If school never taught you money rules, this channel will. Subscribe for real finance, simple explanations, no fake hustle, because your future depends on it.